I've got these two now staring me down. So don't make me give away anything that I'm not supposed to. And besides, I mean, I'm playing. I can tell you that I am playing also a raw agent. Yes. And you know, as agents, we keep our secrets very well. Go ahead, torture me. Torture me.
It's a very big thing, but it's very well, you know, in the Indian cinema that I get pregnant.
There you have it. Headlines for today, tomorrow.
There we go. You have your headline right there.
Javed Jaffrey plays a pregnant man. Fantastic. But it must have been damn fun shooting all those guns and running and doing all those badass action.
Damn fun and a lot of work as well. We all prepared. I think we all worked really hard. You know, again, it was a beautiful location. Obviously, shooting in South Africa, and I'm very grateful to the whole team here. Thank you so much for making it a really, really enjoyable shoot. It was tough. I mean, we spent a lot of nights. You know, I love the night shoots, right, Sam? Love them, miss them so much. Up all night and the weather, and you know, whoever thought that Africa is hot has obviously not been to South Africa when we were shooting, because it was damn cold, especially shooting in the middle of the night. But you know, that's what, you know, everyone sort of, we all bonded together very much, and you know, I'm really excited to see the film. And I'm really grateful. Thank you, Shabir, as well, for making that call and finding me. And thank you, where is Mukesh? Mr. Chabra, who apparently, true story, you guys set up a bet? Yeah, who won?
What was this bet? We would like to know, what was this bet? Shabir sir, what was this bet? Could you please?
Looking at the options for casting Naina, the character which Lisa plays, and Mukesh suddenly said that, you know, if you could get Lisa for this role, it would be ideal, you know. And but she's not working for a long time, and I don't know how to connect with her. So I said, don't worry, I know her. He didn't know that I knew Lisa 20 years back. We've been friends, and so I made this call. I tracked her down from Canada, and her agent.
And what was the bet? How much?
Which he's supposed to give me. That's a secret.
Lisa ideally should get a cut.
Yeah.
I think so. I definitely want my commission.
So that's how I tracked her from Hong Kong, where she was living with her husband, and I sent her the script. Samir spoke to her, and she was on board.
It turned out well for everybody.
Yes.
More fun for everyone.
Except for Mukesh.
Who's lost his money? Who's lost money? But
Okay, I'd like to say one thing for as far as Lisa is concerned. This was in 90 whatever. There was this the magazine cover of Glad Rags in the swimsuit, and that was like, we were like, you know, and everybody had that thing put up in that bedroom out there. So Lisa goes for me way back on that, and remember, and she's been a fighter all her life, and she's fought life, and she's come out a winner, and this is a comeback, and I hope and I pray that, you know, you keep fighting and you hang around here with us, and all of you, and we all love you, and glad to have you back.
here's to Lisa Ray, everybody. Thank you so much, Lisa. Thank you so much. Now moving on to the other actress in the film, it's Ruhi Singh. Hi, Ruhi. You look lovely today. Center look, madam. Center look. Ruhi, you've represented India in various international beauty pageants. आप जीत कर भी आई हैं पिछले साल एक beauty pageant. ज़्यादा nerve wracking, ज़्यादा scary क्या होता है? ऐसा stage पे खड़े होके beauty contestant बनना या अपनी movie media के आगे present करना?
Hello everybody. दोनों ही बहुत
30 seconds.
Okay, so basically जब मैं वहाँ पे pageant में थी, आप जब मिस इंडिया बन के आप कहीं जाते हैं, आप इंडिया को represent करते हैं, तो सब बाहर की countries के लोग होते हैं जो आपको judge कर रहे होते हैं, पर यहाँ तो सब अपने ही हैं. And I hope कि आपको मेरा trailer पसंद आया, और मैं नई हूँ, कोई गलती हो गई हो तो sorry, help me improve, and I'm very nervous.
How many marks, Arjun sir, for this beauty contestant out of 10 for that answer?
Yeah.
Just out of 10, how
मैंने बोला
would
ना
you rate
सब
that
अपने ही
answer?
हैं, तो मुझे lenient.
10 on
Thank you so much.
10. इस रोल के लिए आपने तैयारी क्या किया? You're playing the Prime Minister's daughter. मोदी जी से मिलने की कोशिश, something along those lines, थोड़ा emailing.
नहीं.
मोदी जी से मीटिंग नहीं तो केजरीवाल जी से मिलके आ गई.
मेरी फ्रेंड है जो मोदी है, बट नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ। एक्चुअली प्राइम मिनिस्टर की डॉटर के साथ साथ रिया एक बड़ी ही जिंदा दिल और फ्रीडम लविंग लड़की है, जैसा कि हमने ट्रेलर में देखा। और कई हद तक मैं वही हूँ। जो भी हमारी कॉलेज गोइंग गर्ल्स है वो कनेक्ट कर पाएंगी रिया से, बिकॉज यू नो वी ऑल लव टू लिव आवर लाइफ टू द फुलेस्ट एंड वी ऑल लव आवर फ्रीडम, डोंट वी? सो ज्यादा कुछ मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ी, और ऑनेस्टली जितना लीजा जी को मजा आया वहाँ पे, इवन आई हैड अ ग्रेट टाइम, द होल क्रू। आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू शबीर सर, टू मुकेश, टू समीर, टू everybody over there for treating me like a princess, and I had a great time.
Lovely. Ruhi Singh, everybody. All right, all right, all right. So Krishna Chaturvedi.
Hello.
Hi, Krishna.
Hi.
Lovely. ये बताइए ये मूवी आपके पास कैसे है? How did Ishq Forever happen to you?
चल के आई
चल गए.
well, thanks to Shabir sir, he contacted me on Facebook. Like it's very, I should thank Mark Zuckerberg for this. I was just doing,
Facebook.
yeah, Facebook. So I was just doing my modeling stuff, and one day I saw a message from Shabir sir, and he said like, "Are you interested in acting?" I said, "Yes, of course I am interested." So I went to meet him, and I gave few look tests for this movie, and finally I got selected.
All well done, Andy.
Yeah, all well.
Now आर्यन के कैरेक्टर के बारे में ट्रेलर से बहुत ही कम पता चल रहा है। हमें पता चल रहा है ये रॉ एजेंट है, ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर की बेटी है। ये आर्यन कौन है, कहाँ से आया, क्या है ये कैरेक्टर?
Well, Aryan, he's a traveler. He's a free-spirited guy, and he's just a traveler. And on his journey, how he meets this lovely girl, and then the story starts. You know.
क्या सर बाइक भी है और बाइक भी और बाइको भी है. Fantastic. Only Mr. Javed Jafri. Fantastic. Can we hear it for this beautiful, beautiful debut actor Krishna, everybody?
Thank you so much. Beautiful or handsome?
समीर मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रही थी अबाउट द म्यूजिक ऑफ द फिल्म. हमारे जो गीतकार हैं समीर साहब वो आज हमें ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाए, पर आप हमें बताइए नदीम साहब को आप वापस लेकर आ रहे हैं एज अ म्यूजिक कंपोजर आफ्टर सो मेनी इयर्स. नदीम साहब जिनका म्यूजिक इज स्टेपल, आई मीन सबको मालूम है उनके गाने. व्हाई नदीम सर एंड हाउ डिड दिस हैपन?
After Shabir Bhai spoke to me and we confirmed the film, he said that Nadeem Bhai had spoken to him and he said, okay, you know, okay, fine, I've got a couple of songs which I want to bring out, and it's more like his comeback. So we were like, okay, fine, let's hear the songs, and we heard the songs. We really, really liked it. It always has a flavor of the 90s, which is the typical Nadeem music, and we enjoyed it. You know, honestly, we really liked what he gave us. It's different from today's music. Today's music is great. Not that it's not great, but his is always very different. So we were like, why not?
So what can we expect from the soundtrack of this film?
Honestly, the only thing that I can say is it's fabulous. That's all.
There we have it. That's the director, Sameer Sippy, everybody. We would also like to thank Z Entertainment Enterprises. We would like to thank Inox. And we would like to thank our other producers, Ajay.